If you're broke like a joke and want to become a homeowner, here's 3 loans that are out there right now that can help you become a homeowner. Number 1, rural development. So for all those families that have an interest in home buying, that don't like the big cities, 100% financing, that means 0 down, guys. And you can ask the seller to pay all your closing costs. With as little as $1,000, you could become a homeowner. 620 credit rating minimum, okay? Now, for all those families that like the city, all right, we have our down payment assistance program with a minimum credit rating of 600, guys. It's out there. It's happening now. Same thing. You ask the seller to cover your closing fees. With as little as $1,000, you buy yourself a house. And last but not least, but to all our veterans, thank you so much for serving our country. Of course, there's a loan out there for you. It's 100% financing. Again, you can ask the seller to cover your closing fees, and all you need is about $1,000 to become a homeowner. A 640 credit rating minimum for that loan. For more information, reach out. You can send me a text for a quick service or message me here. Have a fantastic day and week.